video, we're going to be reviewing the all-new 2018 Chevrolet Malibu LT. So on the driver door you have the window control. All four windows are fully automatic. Right above it you have the mirror controls. You also have the lock and unlock with door handle. Right down there you have the Bose speaker. You have a bottle storage. And also you have an umbrella storage. And on the left hand side you have the light control. And on the steering wheel, you have a leather wrapped steering wheel. On the left hand side, you have your cruise control. On the right hand side, you have your controls with voice commands.
Say a command or say help.
Help.
You can say phone, audio, or OnStar. To call a number quicker, say call followed by the number, like this. Call 555. Speech session ended. Goodbye.
And behind the steering wheel, on the left hand side, you have the turning signals. On the right hand side, you have the windshield wiper control. And on the screen, you have your speed, trip A, B, fuel range, oil life, tire pressure, fuel economy. You also have audio, phone, navigation, and options. You have units, information page, speed warning, And in the center console you have the 8-inch color display. Right below you have the controls, hazards, and climate control. You also have the engine start stop button. And right down there you have 2 USBs, auxiliary cord, and a 12-volt power outlet. You also have the traction control and the 6-speed automatic transmission. You also have 2 cup holders and a wireless charger. And on the screen you have your audio, phone, projection for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, OnStar. Settings, you have the time and date, rear seat reminder. You also have language, valet mode, teen driver, radio, vehicle, Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, voice, display, rear camera, return to factory settings, software information, and Wi-Fi. You also have text, OnStar,
OnStar ready. Thank you. Goodbye.
and shop. And on the window sticker, the standard vehicle price is $25,125. They added the leather package, the sales package, convenient and technology package, which all comes up to $30,335. You also have the final assembly, 5-star safety ratings, and the fuel economy. So the engine on this car is a 1.4 liter turbo 4-cylinder, making 160 horsepower and 149 pound-feet of torque, making 27 in the city and 36 on the highway. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more.